Is your big, fluffy cat struggling to fit on standard cat trees? Or maybe your favorite sofa is paying the heavy price of their scratching habits? Then this video is exactly what you need. Today, we're taking a quick look at the Globlazer 61-inch heavy-duty cat tower. Let's find out why this is the absolute best choice for your furry giant, all in under 60 seconds. Let's go! Featuring a massive 17.7 by 15.7-inch top perch, your Maine Coon or chunky cat can finally lounge comfortably and survey their kingdom like true royalty. Why settle for one? This tower features two generously sized cozy cat condos, perfect for a game of hide-and-seek or peaceful, uninterrupted naps. It comes equipped with 7 natural sisal scratching posts. Say goodbye to ruined couches. Your cat will love sharpening their claws right here. Built-in hanging mice and dangling balls guarantee your cat stays active, engaged, and entertained all day long. Ready to upgrade your cat's playground? Don't wait. I have put the direct purchase link for this awesome cat tower right down in the description box and in the pinned. Click the link and check it out right now. If you enjoyed this quick review, smash that like button and share it with your fellow cat parents. And for more amazing pet product reviews and tips, make sure to hit that subscribe button. See you in the next video. Bye.